Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at the Han School at Campus Islamabad, and today I am sharing my TEDx talk review, and my topic is The Power of Passion and Perseverance by Angela Lee Duckworth. I hope you all are doing well today. I am excited to share my review of one of the most inspiring TEDx talk I have watched. This TEDx talk answers a question that many of us have asked at some point in our lives: what makes someone truly successful? It is intelligent, natural talent, lucky, or something else. According to Angela Duckworth, after years of studying students, teachers, athletes, military cadets, and professionals, she discovered that the biggest predictor of success is not talent, it's grit. But what exactly is grit? Angela explains that grit is a combination of passion and perseverance for long-term goals. It means staying committed to your dreams even when life becomes difficult. It means continuing to work hard after failure, setback, disappointment, and challenges. Grit is about refusing to quit when things don't go as planned. One of the most powerful messages from this TEDx talk is that talent alone does not guarantee success. We often admire successful people because they seem naturally gifted, but behind every achievement are years of consistent effort, practice, discipline, and determination. Talent may give someone a good start, but perseverance is what helps them reach the finish line. Angela Shears explains examples from her research showing that people with every average abilities but strong determination often outperform people who are naturally talented but lack persistence. This teaches us that success is not about where we begin, it's about how consistently we keep moving forward. Personally, this lecture inspired me to think differently about challenges. Sometimes, when we fail, we immediately think we are not smart enough or talented enough. But Angela Duckworth reminds us that failure does not define us. What truly defines us is our willingness to keep back up, learn from our mistakes, and keep trying. This talk also teaches us that the value of patience in today's world. Many people was instant success, but bigger achievement takes years of dedication. Every small step we take today contributes to our future success. Progress may too slow, but consistently always wins in the long run. Before I conclude, I want to share, I want to leave you with one final thought. Never let one failure convince you that your dreams are impossible. Every successful person has faced rejection, setbacks, and moments of doubt. What made them different was not extraordinary talent, it was the courage to keep going when others gave up. Believe in your goals, stay patient, work consistently, and trust that every effort you make today is building the future you dream of. Thank you so much for watching. So, viewers, this is my TEDx Talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.